Welcome, les amis de la France. Today we are going to look at the Biscuit Cuillère, the Ladyfingers. It's a dessert by itself, to be served with your best tea or coffee or chocolate. Or to build those beautiful charlottes, page 172, or this excellent tiramisu, page 376. Last time we met together, I show you my picture when I was 6 years old, helping my parents in the family kitchen. Today, we jump in time. 10 years later, the same Alain, 16 years old. This is for the authenticity. Bon appétit. Before we get started, you are going to need a sheet pan, a hand mixer, whisk attachment, 2 mixing bowls, a rubber spatula, parchment paper, 1 piping bag, 1 small round tip, and a sifter. You are going to need the following ingredients: egg yolk, granulated sugar, sifted flour, cornstarch, egg white, 5 eggs white, and confectioning sugar for dusting. Ladyfinger de mon cœur. I'm pouring my egg yolk in the mixing bowl. Preparing my hand mixer, I love that tool. Medium speed. In French, it's called blanchir les jaunes. Blanch the yolk. Blanchir les jaunes. And you will see, adding air in it, it will get lighter. We need to have a ribbon. We are getting close to the ribbon. Bon, it's enough. Hein? It's a good ribbon. C'est un beau ruban. Sifting the cornstarch with the flours. Cornstarch is there. The flour is there. The only reason you do that is to have the two well mixed together, because there is no grain in it. Cornstarch and flour are ready to incorporate. We are going to mix the cornstarch and the flour into the blanched yolk. And for that you need an assistant, and I have the best, Lorena. I am turning, cutting, turning. It's always the same thing with every time you have egg white or egg yolk. More, Lorena, go ahead. Now it's getting stiffer, but don't worry, we will make that lighter with more meringue. Cut in center, turn. Cut in center, turn. Cut in center, turn. More?
This is the last.
Oh, okay. Put everything. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excellent job. It's going to be beautiful. Great Ladyfinger de mon cœur. The next step is a French meringue. The easiest to do. First, you verify there is no sign of fat here, and here. You clean all of that in the dishwashing machine. Also, you control your egg white. Make sure there is no shell, no egg yolk in it, or you will have no meringue. Those are perfect. Thank you, Lorena, for the prep work. The French meringue is a lazy meringue. You don't have much to do. Is it going up? I think it's ready to receive my granulated sugar. Gently. Gently. Now we have a nice beak. See the beak here? Le bec. Quebec. The beak of St. Lawrence River. The bec. Nice beak. Beautiful. We are going to incorporate the French meringue into the batter of the Ladyfinger. Okay, more. Thank you. Beautiful. Yummy.
The last bit.
Yeah, everything. Okay, yeah, scrap. Excellent. Thank you, Lorena. Et voilà, ready to pipe. We have drawing, round, circle, square, and we are going to pipe now les Ladyfingers de mon cœur. For Mother's Day, it's very appropriate dessert. Okay, let's do some finger. That is a true finger, which is the origin of that recipe. Finally, the last touch. Sprinkling the white powder sugar, and if we did it right, it will turn gold with little bubbles, crispy outside, a true delicacy. The oven is ready. Voilà, les Ladyfingers de mon cœur. Okay, it's enough. Happy Mother's Day. Enjoy, les amis de la France et des États-Unis. We are baking the Ladyfinger biscuit Cuillère at 340 degrees for 8 minutes. I think it's ready now. Et voilà, the biscuit Cuillère are fully baked. That shape is for eating by itself with a cup of coffee or warm chocolate, or to build a tiramisu. This shape is for the Charlotte Cecil. I name it Charlotte Cecil after my daughter Cecil and my son Charles. A sample of the tray of the Ladyfinger or biscuit Cuillère, ready to be served with your best tea or coffee or chocolate. Now, the building of a Charlotte Cecil. I'm going to lift a row of biscuit Cuillère Charlotte for the Charlotte, and show you how you build it inside your mold before you add your filling. Now, at the bottom, obviously, you have to start with your ring. So you have your ring. And then you have the biscuit Cuillère on the top. Easy do it. Enjoy. Here you have a sample how to build your tiramisu, either on a plate or in a beautiful bowl like this one. And then you will slice it after chilling the cream, obviously. And you will have a lot of applause from your guests. I'm sure of it.